YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the portable power bank with the 70,000 mAh and 120 watts. It's a large power bank. So I got this out of eBay for $25 plus tax. So $27.19 free shipping. So yeah, this one is the fast charging. So yeah, you can use this for camping, outdoor, or beach, or anywhere that you want to use. And plus, this one has a LED light. And then there's a foldable plug. Also have overcharge and overcurrent protection with the LED display. They also come with a Type-C and Apple interface. And with the lights, there's a SOS mode. So yeah, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. Yeah, it's pretty quite heavy. So they have many colors for you to choose from as well. So yeah, you could charge your iPad, GoPro, even your MacBook and stuff like that. So and right here's the user manual. Oh, here are the cables. I was saying, where's my Apple and USB Type-C? It's right here. It's wrapped around the casing. Pretty cool. Yeah, right here's a USB Type A plug. I need to take it out. So yeah, it's kind of bad design. Oh, no, it's plugged in already. Huh, that's weird. Why is it not charging? Oh. Oh, right here's a button. It's a flash, SOS, and then flash. Let's try again. Shows 29 minutes. So these three are the inputs, either Type C or Lightning charging port or micro USB. So I plug in the USB Type C right now, so it's charging. Alright, so you could charge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 devices at the same time. So yeah, it is a great backup piece for all your laptops, GoPro, drones, or anything like that. You need to charge your RC toys. So yeah, I have one of it with a big pack like this, so I like it very much. So that's why I bought another one, and I got it for $25, which is a pretty awesome deal. I'm gonna use it and see how it goes, and then let you guys know. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.